Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is George Kingori, and here we speak about all things finance, how you can be able to grow, how you can be able to invest, how you can be able to save, and how you can be able to grow financially. And today we're going to speak about a business idea that you could be able to start with minimal capital and be able to generate an income, a daily income of at least $500. That is, after you have paid all your expenses and stuff, that is the money that you remain with at the end of the day. So what is that business idea that I'm speaking about? Today I'm going to speak about the business idea of starting a mini car service business. And this is a very simple business that you could be able to start, and it does not require too much knowledge or know-how. Basically what I'm speaking about is four things. That is changing oil service, changing the fuel filters, changing the air filters and cabin filters, and changing the wipers. And you could also include repairing punctures for the tires that come in. Basically, these are jobs that could be able to take a minimum or a maximum of 5 minutes per job. So those are the kind of jobs that I am saying that you do. Don't start analyzing a car's computer or doing difficult tasks. Those are the simple tasks, the 4 of them. Now, you realize for many car owners, the problem with service is that usually you have to plan ahead of time when you need to take your car for service. You have to, and sometimes people are challenged by the fact that sometimes it can be expensive because people are afraid that costs escalate once you take to certain dealers who are known not to be the honest kind of people, and they find that their bills usually escalate. You take them for a normal service or fuel change, an oil change, an air filter and things like that, but it comes with additional costs. So the kind of business I want you to exploit is a kind of business that allows you to be able to serve the customer that, one, does not have the time, and 2, is concerned about the costs and also their convenience. So you could be able to set up this business near either a supermarket or a mall or a pub or a club, somewhere where people leave their cars and enter and do something for at least 30 minutes. So those are the locations that you should spot. Then you should be able to do those 4 tasks easily with even people who do not require too much training. Basically, it is changing the oil, removing old oil, putting in the new oil, and things like that. Those are not technical jobs. Those are jobs that even a person with minimum knowledge can be able to do. And those are the tasks that I want you to concentrate on. So basically what you would need is to be able to have an inventory of the kind of things that you need. One is the oil, then the oil filters, the fuel filters, the air filters, the cabin air filters, and the wipers. So those are the only inventories that you need. So what you need to do is square down and determine that you will only charge 10% above the cost of acquisition of the specific stock. So if it is an air filter, it is $5. You can only charge to the client a maximum of $5.50. So that is not where you are making your money. That is just a handling charge that you are putting because of storage and handling, but it is not where your profit is coming from. Your profit is coming from the service. So once you sell the items that are needed in the service, then you take the car and you service it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, the client can be waiting or can go and come back. But basically what you're selling is fast and quick service and cheap costs. So you change everything and finish within 5 minutes and you do the next job. Basically, you should square this to a science whereby you are able to service the car, change the oil, and do everything within 5 minutes. So if it is an oil change, 5 minutes. If it is wipers change, 5 minutes. If it is air cabin filters and air filters change, 5 minutes. You square it down to a science. In fact, have like 3 guys, and each and every person is responsible for a specific thing, and they're able to do it to a science. Then there's somebody in the stores who is able to square down what specific car needs which filter and everything, so that they are knowledgeable and they can be able to do a quick turnaround. Basically what you desire is to be able to do a lot of cars in a single day. Then you charge them $5 maximum per item of service. So if they are coming for an oil change and an air filter change, you can only charge them a maximum of $10 for the service. That is for the oil change and for the air filter change. Of course, the oil filter change comes with the oil, so that one is in conjunction with that. And then the air filter and cabin filter, you can charge $5 for the two of them. So you should square it into a science so that this person is particularly efficient. Again, learn from the Japanese. The Japanese have a way of being so efficient at manufacturing, where the people on the ground are so skilled and they know how to turn around quickly and be able to produce a component and do something quickly. So square down to a science and a certain level of efficiency, and you'll be able to do at least 200 services in that day. And once you're able to do these 200 servicings in a single day, multiply by the $5 that we are speaking about, you'll be able to make $1,000 per day from just doing the minor services on the cars. Ladies and gentlemen, because you are cheap and you are efficient and you have a quick turnaround time, you'll be able to spend minimal cost and be able to do a job as quickly as possible. You might look it in terms of this. You will be able to service per staff around 12 service items in a single hour. So even if you are going to pay them on an hourly rate, and even if you are going to to pay them say $20, for example, if you are to pay them $20 per hour, you will still make enough, because you would make $60 and you pay your person $20. So even if you pay them how much, you will still be able to make a profit. So ladies and gentlemen, you could either go the hourly rate or the job done. You could either go the piecework method, where you pay per job. Maybe you pay $1 for each servicing, for each service part that it has been done, or you could pay per hour. But either way, you would still be able to make money. So let us go one of the ways, which is paying per hour. You pay $20. So basically, of the monies that you make, around 33% goes to staff costs. So basically, from the $1,000 that you are making, you are going to give your staff around $330. So your profit is around $660 per day. If you were to factor in the costs of the location and things like that and other charges, then you'll be able to make comfortably a profit of $500 per day from your minor car service business. Basically, this is the kind of business that anyone can start, and anyone can be able to scale up in different locations and in different parts. But the key here is you square down to an efficiency. You are able to do quick turnaround, then you charge a good rate, a very competitive rate, and you are able to satisfy your customer demand. Basically, because you have met the customer demand for quick turnaround service, and at their most convenient, when they are doing something at the mall or going to meet a friend somewhere, and they're able to drop off the car and be able to get it as soon as they need it, you will have been able to capture a market that is yet unexplored. Talk to the people who take their cars for service, and you will realize majority of them complain on three specific things. One, they cannot be able to do the service when they desire. They have to either book way in advance, or they have to take it longer distance, or any of the other things that would cause them not to be able to take it when it is convenient for them. The other thing is that they are afraid of costs. They do not know what is the cost beforehand. So enable your clients to know the cost beforehand and to determine the cost beforehand, and ensure that the cost beforehand is accessible to many people. Then the other thing that people are afraid of is to meet quack servicemen who pretend to either change oil and do not change oil, or do something that messes up the car. So ensure that you are transparent and you are able to do your job well, and you will always have jobs each and every single day. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you make $500 per day from car service business. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. Leave a like if you feel that this article has been helpful to you, and share the article with other people. Thank you and enjoy your day.